Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And as you already know from the video title or the thumbnail what we're gonna show today, so obviously you are excited, I know it. So today I'm gonna showcase top 5 of the website that let you freely, like for free, host your web app or static website. And last at the end of the video, we will have one bonus one too. So it's gonna be total 6 websites. So let's dive into it. So first one in the line is Netlify. We all know about Netlify, what it does, how it works, and all. Let's get straight to their pricing point actually. So I will compare all of the pricing points here because you have to have a proper idea about what you are getting in the free plan and what you are not getting. So here you can see automated git builds, deploy global edge network, live site previews with a collaborative UI and team members, and instant rollbacks, deploy static and asset dynamic serverless function. As simple as that. And here you can see what you are getting with it. So one free starter, one free member, unlimited reviewers, one concurrent build, bandwidth per month, build minutes, websites. Websites ultimately is cool, but the number of websites that Netlify support will a single workflow hosting. So number of websites is okay. Server size functions, forms, you can see all of them here. So that's it. So obviously you are getting too many things in this price range, but they never mentioned a custom domain. I don't know why. Whatever. Let's go to our next contender, that is Varsal. And Varsal is really great. I have used Varsal myself and it works great. And I think it is the easiest possible platform among all of those. And seriously, it's a great easy to use website, not website, but great easy to use hosting platform that will host everything for you. Like seriously great app. They started with Vercel to support Next.js as far as, because the Vercel company and Next.js company are same. So they started as a Next.js supporting web hosting platform. Now they support like many of them. Here you can see Next.js, React means Next.js, and then Next, Vue, Ember, Stealth, Angular, Hugo, Gatsby. So they support all of them. And another thing here, you can obviously use your custom domain here. Now let's check the pricing plans, because that is something important you should care about. So here you can see HTTPS enable custom domains. So you will get your custom domain. Now, what custom domains mean? Custom domain means you have your own domain purchased from anywhere else. You can connect that domain to this server. So that what means by custom domains. Continuous deploy with Git. Actually, what Vercel does, totally connects with your Git, and whenever you deploy the build in your GitHub, it will automatically regenerate the build. So that's another thing you should keep in mind, and this is another great feature that I love about Vercel. Actually, Netlify also does this, but Vercel also does that. Then high performance edge network, unlimited website and API, serverless function. So in simple words, they are great, and that's it. Now you may ask, then why should you pay for, like, for what you gonna pay for? Pay as you grow, as you can see. So the hobby section is totally free for you, the all of those features that they have mentioned here. But the whenever you want to include include a organization git here, or include more members in your team, that gonna cost you $20 per month per member. So here's their pricing plan. Okay, So that's it about Vercel. Let's go to our next website. Our next website is Fleek. Now I gonna show you some of the website that you may be not familiar with too much, but those are as well great. Fleek is also does the same thing. Also does the same thing. It grabs all of the things from the Git and deploys it. And actually, let's go to their pricing plan. Then it will be better to explain or better to see what they are offering rather than all of them. So here you can see, obviously you will get custom domain, continuous Git deployments like Vercel, unlimited projects like Vercel, 3 GB storage included. So here is the limitation: 3 GB storage included, and 250 build minutes and 50 GB BW. So build minutes. What is build minutes? So whenever you deploy the app in GitHub, maybe, and uh, this obviously this CLI, their CLI will get that app from there. Before putting it into the work, they have to build it. Like, you use pre-built materials, like you use web app, you use parcel. No, parcel is a bundler, but you use web app or gulp.js to build your app, right? So they will build your app. That is 250 build minutes you are getting here. Okay, so here is something you should keep in mind as well while opting for the free plan. But they are great. I have seen some of the website hosted in there, so they were great. I have no complaints about it because I haven't tried it myself, but I will obviously try it myself for sure. And as you can see here, unlimited sites, teams one, team members one. So most of them have actually limitation while it is becoming a team project. For a single hobby user, they will be always free, I think so. So here is Flick. Let's go to the next one. So next one is Render. So how unique name, right? So basically, I think the conceptualization behind it is this gonna render your app on the web. That's what that's what it seems like, right? You can see it here. Render is a unified cloud to build and run all of your apps website with free SSL, global CDN, private networks, blah blah blah. And global edge networks means basically global CDN. So let's go to the pricing plan. So here you can see, again, we will talk about this. That is $0 per month, lightning fast CDN, automatic continuous deploys from Git. Obviously you can understand it right now. Custom domains with fully managed SSL. Another great thing, unlimited collaborators. So they are not having any limitations in terms of collaborator. That is something great here, right? But they have the like bound in the bandwidth usage, so you will get 100 GB per month bandwidth included. After that they will charge you. That's it. So that's it for it. That's it for Render. Sorry. As you can see there, like, the plans will vary from website to website. So choose a platform provider wisely, because you know what you're gonna need for your website, and choose accordingly. So our last website is Railway. Railway.app. Railway.app also does the same thing. What differentiates, maybe the single factor that differentiates all of them is, first of all, pricing. Then second is how easy it is to use and manage your projects here. So without hovering around in this, let's go to the pricing section and give you a like bigger overview. So as you can see here, here they have mentioned another type of planning here. Like, they are doing something like Firebase, because what they have stated here, like, $5 of resources monthly. So $5 of resources we will get free. Now what is included in that $5 resource? that is 512 MB RAM, 1 GB disk space, community support, and limited to $5 usage. Okay, so basically that's it. 512 GB RAM and 1 GB disk. But in their bigger overview, I haven't found anything like in detail. So I don't know how they are managing it and all. So I have a little uh, doubt about it. But really, you can try it. Obviously, you can try it. I will obviously gonna try it for sure. And here they said also account verification required, so I think you have to keep your credit card here. So if you go beyond $5 limit, they will charge you for sure. I don't know much about it, so actually I haven't used it, and I haven't discovered it much, so I don't know about it much. So that's why, whatever, this is also an option. If you want to opt for, you can obviously do that. And here you can see what all the plans includes, what, like 100 GB outbound network. Why they like do that, do these thing kind of things, I don't know. They, some of them call, look like, said it, this gonna be just network, like network bandwidth, this GB limit. So that means whichever is the highest or whichever is the lowest, like that. Now they have, now here they have mentioned 100 GB outbound limit. Then what is my inbound limit? I don't know why they make such like ridiculous plan structures. If you want to explain me all of the things, please explain. If you don't want to mention it, just get it out of here. I don't know why they do that always. Whatever. Unlimited inbound network, as you can see here. So they are obviously limiting in the outbound network, and multiple custom domains and SSL with SSL deployed from Git repo. Unique copy of infra HPR connect to your infra. I don't know what is infra. Sorry, I don't know what is infra. Whatever, you can see the outbound and inbound limit here. So that's it about this website. Now about the bonus thing. So what we have in the bonus, in the bonus section we have our old Firebase. Because why? Firebase is great, and I don't know if you know about it or not, but Firebase lets you host your static website for free. Yes, they let you host your static website completely for free. And I don't know where are their, yeah, here is their pricing plan now. If you go over to the, obviously when you are opting for free plan, you will defaultly get the Spark plan. Generous limits to get started, obviously they have generous limits. Now if I don't want to include any authentication, any form interaction, anything else, I just want a simple static cloud front, so I can obviously use Firebase for that thing. So here you can see the hosting specification: 10 GB and 360 MB per day. Quite enough, quite great, I think. And I am using it for a long time now. Like I am using it for myself, as well as for my company, as well as for my clients, and using it for so long now, and it works so great. Like this Firebase is our go-to solution for static websites. That's how reliable Firebase is. So basically that's it. Let's wrap up this video. That's it for this video. If you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great platforms like this, this has taken me time to create, because I have to search for every app, every this type of, not app, every this type of platform that is available in the market, and all put all of them together. So that's why this has taken too much time. So if you like this kind of content, please do support by subscribing or liking or commenting anything. And rather than that, if you know about some of the great apps like this or website or any of the resources, API, open source, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.